morning, Andy here from GDMFX, Senior Account Manager. We start with the North American markets. Yesterday it was the Memorial Day in the USA, so no events from there. We had the current account for the first quarter from Canada, as expected, at negative 16.8 billion. Dow sideways, Nasdaq sideways, Dixie down to 95.65 from 95.94, USD CAD going sideways, USD Swiss franc 33 pips down, USD JPY is going sideways. Today we will have the personal income month on month, personal spending, also core personal consumption, expenditure and price index month on month and year on year, and the personal consumption expenditure price index month on month, year on year, S&P Case-Shiller home price indices year on year, also the Chicago Purchasing Managers Index and consumer confidence from the USA. We move to the EU markets. The euro versus the USD edged up at 21% to 1.1138 off 2.5 month lows of 1.1097 hit overnight. We had the Swiss COF leading indicator better than expected at 102.9. CPI from Germany as expected. Today we will wait for the French CPI and the German unemployment data. Also consumer price index for the EU zone, as well as the unemployment rate for the European Union. And also we will have GDP from Italy. We move to the UK markets. No events from yesterday. It was spring holiday for the banks there. FTSE 100 was closed yesterday. 10-year gilt yields closed at 1.48% yesterday. Pound versus the USD 10 pips up. Pound yen 20 pips up. Pound Aussie 30 pips down. Pound Kiwi 38 pips down. Pound Swiss franc 40 pips down. And we will have the BRC Shop Price Index later today. Asian and Pacific markets. We start with the Asians. We had from Japan jobs application ratio 0.04, better than expected and better than previous at 1.34. Unemployment rate 3.2% as forecast and previous. Also Japanese overall household spending 1% better than expected. Japanese industrial production month on month preliminary 1.7% better than expected. Japanese industrial production year-on-year preliminary 3.7% worse than previous. It came at negative 3.5%. Nikkei 38 points up, 197 points up today. Euro yen 50 pips up, Swiss franc yen 40 pips up, Aussie yen 25 pips up, Kiwi yen 20 pips up yesterday. From the Pacific, we had the New Zealand Building Permits, which came better than previous at 6.6%. Later today, we will have Australian AIG performance of MFG index. We move to commodities now. The S&P 500 index had a range of 4 points only. It's trading at 2,100 at the moment. Gold, range of $11 up to 1,213 now. Silver range of 25 cents at 16.11 at the moment. Crude oil had 70 cents range at 49.62. Natural gas trading at 2.15 now, range of 2 cents yesterday. Today we expect API weekly crude stock. Thank you for the attention. Have a good day.